So you should love what you are doing. This is important because when it comes to the challenges, if you don't like your work, then you cannot do anything. But if you like it, even the challenges are amazing. When you like the challenges, you want more challenges sometimes. My name is Alireza Malekmohammadi. I'm a PhD student at Institute for Cognitive System at Technical University of München. I'm an electrical engineer and I started my PhD 2018. I'm working on the cognitive and acoustic effects of short-term familiarization with music and speech of the human brain. We are interested in knowing what's going to happen in neural activity when you become familiar with something that you have no idea. So when you get familiar, and when you're familiar with the sound sequences, such as speech and music, what happens in the brain? When I started my master's, my topic was brain-computing interface. My master's thesis was about a hardware implementation of BCI algorithms on FPGA. When I graduated my master, I applied to Tübingen University. I was there for a research assistant. We work on Parkinson people. Going to the surgery, record in the surgery from all people that suffers from Parkinson. Then I wanted to apply for a PhD and work still in the brain. So auditory was something new, but the good thing was the knowledge is about signal processing, how to process the audio. And this is something that as an electrical engineer, I had it. So brain is a system. As an electrical engineer, the heart of this field is signal processing and analyzing the system. We fit this system with audios, like speech and music. We see the output by recording the neural activity by different measurements, such as electroencephalography. And now we want to know the system, this black box, somehow model the brain or a small part of the brain, such as auditory or how the brain processes. So this is something that is totally related to electrical engineering. I had a background in brain-computer interface. I know how to handle the sound sequences and process the signals, filtering, signal processing, machine learning. I love signal processing. I love analyzing the system. I love modeling. Also love brain. So everything comes together. That's why I came here and then work on this topic. Professor Gordon Cheng is one of the toughest guys in the field of robotic and neuroengineering. So you can see that we have all kinds of robots here. We have even some robots that you might not find it in other labs. More importantly, Gordon knows a lot of people. I mean, this lab is collaborating with many labs. But the most important thing for me is his characteristic. He is a very nice person, take caring of the PhD students, very supportive. In the whole 6 years, every moment I feel his support. PhD is not unique. There's a lot of up and down. When you are done, Gordon, takes care of you. This is a very friendly environment. This lab is really great. We are all like a family here. We care about each other. We celebrate our birthdays. If one of us, get married, we celebrate. Because of Gordon, we are collaborating with everyone. So that's why I'm also collaborating with Georgetown University. Georgetown University is well-known in neuroscience. So when I was there, I learned more about neuroscience. What is the terminology of the brain and sounds, how the brain processes the sounds. Professor Joseph Kawashike is one of the experts in this field, one of the top guy in the field of auditory neuroscience. Being in Georgetown and working with him was a very great opportunity for me to increase this part of knowledge. The second category is more about collaboration. You are talking with some people that they have a neuroscience perspective. I'm an electrical engineering. So two different perspectives are coming together. When you go to a new lab, you learn new things. How is the atmosphere of this lab? How they solve a problem? And you can compare it with your lab, and then you can improve Another category is you go to a new city, learn more stuff about the culture of that country, talking to the other people. Of course, these are some personal things that you learn. These days, I'm mainly doing programming, implementing different models, implementing different algorithms. From last year till now, I also put a huge amount of time on writing papers. I mean, the science itself motivates me a lot. Every month, I will learn something new, even in coding or the mathematics itself. There are many memorable moments. I mean, going to the United States, all the days were memorable. But I guess for a PhD student, the memorable moment is the first publication. When you actually, after a lot of maybe rejection or major revisions, then you will receive an email and we are gladly to say that we accept your paper. It was kind of relief for me. I didn't teach on the first 2 years. Then after that, I started teaching. What I've learned during these teaching years is always ask for the feedback. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad, it's positive or negative feedback. Always ask, because the feedbacks could help you to be better. Wrote everything on blackboard or whiteboard. That was a very good thing. It's good because the students have time to digest new material there. And now what you get, they will ask you questions. When they ask questions, it means that they are learning. You asked me before about what kind of advice I have for PhD students. So you should love what you are doing. This is important because when it comes to the challenges, if you don't like your work, then you cannot do anything. But if you like it, even the challenges are amazing. When you like the challenges, you want more challenges sometimes. If you like this part, then continue. If you like research, if you like work by your own and work on your ideas, be more flexible, be more free, and you like reading papers, publications, continue academic.